This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notifications are on. If you hit the like button or make a comment, make sure it's working properly, because they're erasing likes, they're erasing comments, they're erasing views. They're working overtime suppressing the channel and the videos because they don't want more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the stock market. Listen, guys, you see all the negative news about XRP. You see how they manipulated XRP down over the weekend. And you guys know, well, I believe anyway, the only purpose of that was to shake out retail investors and get them to dump their XRP shares. But let me tell you something. Even through all the fraud and manipulation, some truth reveals itself. And this right here in this article is the truth. And this is from the Bank of America, okay? One of the big dogs that don't want to see us financially independent. They know that tokenization of real world assets is gaining momentum. You guys see what they're doing in Dubai. They took real world assets, real estate, and put it on the XRP ledger so that you can own a part of a building without a broker, without anybody, because you can buy and sell these tokenized stocks or tokenized real estate in the open market. Okay, it just changes the whole financial game. And Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, they all know that this is the future that we're looking at. And where do you think those real world assets are going to be tokenized? On some platform that's very, very expensive, some platform that takes long to clear, some platform that's slow as a snail, some platform that doesn't have an infrastructure built and trust built all over the planet? Of course not. It is going to be built on a platform that has spent the last 10 years building strategic partnerships, building relationships, and that platform is Ripple XRP. Okay? Real world assets are gaining momentum according to Bank of America. And the platform that I believe in, this is just my opinion, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP. The platform with the most strategic partnership in place, the most trust in place, the most secure, the fastest, the cheapest is XRP. And everybody knows it. Okay? Everybody knows it. So with everybody wanting to real world assets, tokenize rather, their real world assets, and XRP is the number one cryptocurrency to do it on. Why in the world would the price of XRP be crashing? Pure manipulation on the part of the bad actors, because they can. I mean, that's really the bottom line. They can do, well, in the United States of America, I don't know all over the world, because from what I see all over the world, they go hard after the criminals that attack their financial markets. In China, in South Korea, in India, in Vietnam, they go hard after financial criminals. Financial criminals can only get away with this nonsense in the United States of America, because they own the SEC, they own the DOJ, they own the FBI. In any other country, what goes on in the United States financial markets could not happen anywhere else. It would not be tolerated. But even through all their lies and manipulation, the truth comes out. And the truth is, real world assets are going to be tokenized. They're going to be tokenized. It's going to make it more secure for everybody. You're going to see instant transfers, instant settlements. And it's going to cause a lot of headaches for these criminals who need to create counterfeit shares, because it's going to be very, very difficult. Not saying it will be impossible, because we know that criminals always find a way to exploit any little loophole that they find. But a majority of the bad actors, a lot of their criminality ends when there's real world tokenization of stocks, bonds, derivatives. That's the one that's really going to hurt them, in my opinion, is the tokenization of derivatives. But that's not the purpose of this video. I'm going off track. Bottom line is this: tokenization of real world assets is gaining momentum, and not just in Dubai, but all over the world. It's gonna change the whole financial landscape, and the token that's gonna be leading that is XRP. And there is no justification whatsoever for XRP price going down. The more tokenization that happens, in my opinion, the higher XRP is going to go. And I really do not see a ceiling for XRP. I really, really don't. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think with tokenization momentum on the rise, should XRP price be going down? Or is it pure manipulation by bad actors? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.